How to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go on over to coinbase.com, and once you head on over to coinbase.com, you can begin by creating your portfolio. So you're going to click on Get Started on the top right over here, and once you click on Get Started, you're just going to enter your first name and last name. And then you're just going to enter a valid email address and a potential password. Then you are going to certify that you're 18 or older, and then you're just going to click on Create Free Account. So once you have entered your email and first and last name, you're going to head on over to your Gmail account or your email address, and then you're just going to confirm your verification. So you're just going to click the link on the verification email. You're going to click on Verify Email Address, and this will open up Coinbase in a new application. So over here, you're just going to click on over and enter your phone number and verify that as well. So I will do that, and I will get back to you guys in one moment. Now, once you have completed your verification, you're going to click on Claim Your NFT, and you often get a free NFT from Coinbase. Usually this NFT doesn't have a lot of value, but you get a Polygon-based NFT, and then you can just click on Claim NFT over here, and you can just download the Coinbase wallet to get a free NFT as well. Now, moving back to what we're here to do, which is to buy Bitcoin. So first off, you're going to go into your wallet section, and then you're going to click on your wallet, and then you can click on Add to Chrome over here. You're going to add the extension, and you can get the Coinbase wallet extension, and then you're going to click on Buy/Sell. So you already have your wallet added over here. You're going to click on the puzzle icon, mark it over here, and then you're going to click on over here. You're going to click on Create New Wallet, enter a username, and then you're going to click on Submit over here. You're going to click on Copy to Clipboard, and you're just going to save your verification. And then you're just going to enter the password that you're going to have for your wallet. Then you're going to agree to the terms of service and click on Submit over here. So this is just your setup, and once your setup is complete, now you can see the USD in your account, and then you're going to click on Add Crypto. Then you can click on Transfer from another wallet or click on Add Crypto from Coinbase Pay. And then you're just going to sign into Coinbase Pay. So you're going to click on Authorize. And then you're just going to complete your identity verification, and then you can head on over to the buy section of your Coinbase application or wallet to go ahead and purchase Bitcoin. So you can also go into the trade section over here. Now, if you click on buy over here, and you verify your identity, so you're going to click on Let's Go, and then you're just going to enter any verifying option. So you can enter your personal information and you're going to be verified. You're also going to have to add a identity verification such as your passport or your identity card or a driver's license to get your identity verified. And once you do that, you can just click on buy over here on the Bitcoin section, and then purchase Bitcoin as it is. Now, if you are purchasing Bitcoin, I would recommend that you are trading it. Trading can usually get you a lower price for quite a few dollars. So you can go ahead and buy it right away, or you can choose to trade it at a different price as well. So with trading, you can put in a spot order and you will get it at a lower price. So let's say you can see over here, this is the graph, the daily graph for Bitcoin, and you can see the price alternates every day to quite an extent. And if you're able to buy it at the lowest price of the day, then you're going to be making a profit in one day. So that is why I don't recommend direct credit card or direct conversions, but you can choose to just click on buy and complete your purchase right over here. So now you can buy Bitcoin or any other crypto token, and if you go ahead and in your payment option on Coinbase, you have a few options, and they are excellent options. So you can go ahead and click on any kind of payment option. You can click on receive and just open up your BTC wallet, and you can also earn BTC as well. So you can click on buy and transfer from Coinbase, or you can, if you open up your wallet over here, you can send crypto and NFTs and swap your crypto as well. So if you have any other form of cryptocurrency, you can swap that for Bitcoin as well. Now, if you don't want to buy Bitcoin at the current going price, which is the average price that you're going to have to pay, so this is the price of Bitcoin right now, you can go ahead and you can actually create a vault for your crypto long term and save your crypto over there for a long term investment and save your BTC over there. or you can also click on invite friends over here, and Coinbase does give you referral invitation, so you can go ahead and refer friends and earn money in that way as well. So it's very simple and easy, and I would recommend that if you are looking to make a larger order. So if you're just trying it out, Coinbase is a good option, but if you want to make larger orders and you want the lowest price possible, then Coinbase is not going to give you the lowest price possible on this buy section. So you would actually be better off if you traded on Binance or a specific cryptocurrency trading platform, because if you go ahead on a trading platform like Binance over here, so if you go ahead on Binance over here and you click on trade and click on spot trade over here, and you take a look at BTC/USD, you can scroll down and you can see actually on your left side that you have the different BTC orders that are being placed. So you're going to be able to get BTC at a slightly lower price, and if you're looking to make a larger order, that lower price difference will actually make quite a large difference. So I would recommend that you go ahead and check out other platforms as well for you to be better able to get the best price for your potential savings. But if you're looking to hold a vault on Coinbase, then purchasing directly off of Coinbase as well won't be a bad option for you. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.